Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Afreed and I'm from first year CSC and welcome to the My Intuition YouTube channel. Our startup company is G3S, product present name smartwatch, product proposed name Kairos. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Early disease detector. So when if any disease is infected, it will detect early by temperature and heart rate because when the disease is infected, at that time temperature and heart rate usually increases. Sensors to which it detects any kind of diseases. That means it can detect any kind of diseases. Based on the empathizing state, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customers, may Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name smartwatch, futuristic product name Kairos. Some additional features to be added are mentioned here. Customizable watch strap adjustable for better feel, sensors to monitor heart rate and temperature, which helps to detect the disease when there is a sudden increase in temperature and heart rate. Again, uh, battery which can be long last up to 7 days of continuous usage. It's eco-friendly and IP68 certified water resistance. In prototype stage, the real working model has been manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below as you can see. So, thank you for watching this video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you for watching this video.